Introducing the DJ707M. Built from the collective voices of mobile and event DJs, the DJ707M packs serious power into an amazingly portable size that's easy to get to the gig and set up in tight spaces. Unlike any other DJ controller, the DJ707M combines the capabilities of a pro audio console with a 4-channel DVS-ready Serato DJ Pro controller, optimized to make your event sound better than ever before.
Flawlessness is the benchmark of the mobile DJ industry.
Start to finish, everything's got to work.
If you're doing a wedding, there's only one first dance. After that, it's the second dance.
Get more bump from your system using the 4-band EQ, multi-band compressor and limiter available on each individual output. The equivalent to a 3-speaker management system designed to create a dynamic, punchy, and balanced sound. With customizable scene presets, you can call up previous audio configurations to match your speaker setups or the audio needs of different venues.
There are a number of banquet halls that I play at on a regular basis. I love that this controller will save the best possible EQ for a particular room.
Use the zone output to send a dedicated audio feed to a separate room or videographer.
When we do weddings, we tend to work with a lot of videographers, so having a zone output or an extra output, so if we're doing speeches again, we can route the microphones to that and go, there you go, there's a nice clean audio feed.
Speeches, toasts, and dedications are the emotional highlights of events. The 2 studio-quality, crystal-clear mic preamps with individual 3-band EQ, effects, and auto-ducking will have the speaker's message heard and felt by all.
I like to be able to dial each and every person's voice. Clarity and being able to hear each person is crucial because we cover sound for 200, 250 people in a room.
The DJ707M also boasts 2 additional mic inputs for a total of up to 4 microphones. Or use these front-mounted auxiliary inputs to plug in guest musicians without disturbing your DJ or mic connections. To ensure ear-damaging feedback doesn't ruin a heartfelt speech, the anti-feedback feature will automatically prevent unwanted audio distractions. Every event is high stakes. With 2 USB ports for a backup computer, tablet, or smartphone, the music will keep playing even when computer problems occur. They also make for a smooth, uninterrupted changeover with the next DJ.
Now, you just do this quick switch over between laptops, no dead air, and I can walk out and be home before midnight.
It wouldn't be a Roland controller without our signature TR drum machine sounds.
I love the ability to add drums and sounds to classics, which is giving it a different twist.
Use pre-built 808 and 909 loops to modernize classics, create transitions, or accompany musicians. Compact, rugged, and ready for the most demanding audio needs, the Roland DJ707M makes for smoother and better sounding events for mobile DJs and DJs on the move.